All right, so today we're going to talk about reference angles, and the symbol used for reference angle is alpha. So the first letter, lowercase letter in the Greek alphabet. And so alpha is used to denote the reference angle. So if we graph this, if we draw this 130 degrees, so we have our initial sign here, and I go past 90, and I go 40 degrees past 90, and so here is about 130 degrees. Okay, now I want to know what the reference angle is. Now your reference angle is always positive because it represents the distance from this angle back to the x-axis. So how far is this angle either from 180 or how far is this angle from 0 or 360? So think we're going back to the x-axis. So our reference angle represented by alpha in this case, because I need to get down here to the x-axis, it'll always be positive. If I went 130 and I need to keep going until I get to 180, then alpha, my reference angle, is going to be 50 degrees. So alpha is 50 degrees. Now in the same way, let's go ahead and check, let's just do one more. The angle 300, so if I have my initial sign and I go 300, so here's 90, 180, 270, and I go a little bit past 270, 30 degrees past, so there's 300. My reference angle, alpha, is always positive because it represents distance, so the distance back to my x-axis, not where it's closest, not back to the y-axis, but back to the x-axis would be this distance, which would be 60. So if I've gone 300, I need to get to 360, then this distance, alpha, would be equal to 60 degrees. And so same thing with radians, whether it's degrees or radians. With radians, you're getting back to either pi or 2 pi. And so alpha represents the reference angle, and that is your distance back to the x-axis, and it will always be positive.